I suppose if you let the options expire, does that mean they won't be as long, and is that a risk? How do I interpret all of this? What do we know?
Well, this is really the first sign that SoftBank founder Masayoshi Son is walking back the derivatives investment business, which caused him so much grief in these past few months. As you said yourself, most of the options, long and short, are short term. So our sources are telling us that by the end of December, 90% of them will simply lapse, and SoftBank will not renew them. Now, this comes as part of a response to shareholder pressure, but also reflects changes in the macro environment that made turning a profit on derivatives trading much more difficult, in part because the tumultuous presidential elections in the U.S. are over. The prospects for an effective COVID-19 vaccine are also reducing volatility. So it's no longer quite the business that SoftBank imagined it to be.
What is the controversy around this? Because one doesn't need to disclose. Is this about disclosure? I don't need to disclose my option bets to the regulator, but I do have to disclose my equity holding to the regulators. Is that where the controversy lies?
The way to disclose it certainly did not help. I mean, when the news came out in September, SoftBank market cap dropped by about $17 billion, simply because people had no idea what was going on. And knowing Masayoshi Son's penchant for wild adventures, they assumed the worst. Now, investors have also questioned SoftBank's rationale for doing this at all. Why would a company known for long-term technology bets be dabbling in public stocks? SoftBank's done some good work in trying to defend the program as, a way to put some of its cash pile to work, and also pointing out that it's only about 1% of its total shareholdings. But to make things worse, Son personally took a 1/3 stake in the unit that does the trading. So, raising issues of governance. And all in all, it's not clear if this was worth doing to begin with.